In this video, we're diving into whether GoHighLevel can replace Shopify as your platform of choice for dropshipping. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions. Now, you've probably heard of GoHighLevel as an all-in-one marketing and automation platform for agencies and service providers. But did you know that it also offers an e-commerce builder? Now, on the other hand, Shopify is a household name for online stores. So today, we'll compare these two platforms, focusing on dropshipping use cases, looking at features, ease of use, integrations, and pricing to help you decide which suits your business better. What is GoHighLevel? So GoHighLevel, often called HighLevel, is primarily known for its CRM, funnel builder, email and SMS marketing, and automation features. It helps agencies manage leads, build sales funnels, and run marketing campaigns from one dashboard. But more recently, GoHighLevel introduced an e-commerce module that allows users to create online stores, manage products, and accept payments. E-commerce features in GoHighLevel. Based on the company's e-commerce product page, HighLevel's builder includes one-click setup. So a quick launch wizard that helps you build a storefront with a product catalog in minutes. Inventory management. You can manage inventory, set stock levels, and track variations from within the dashboard. Dynamic product variants. Add product options like size and color with ease. Integrated automation. Connect your store with automations. Send order confirmations, abandoned cart emails, or cross-sell sequences automatically. Flexible payment options. Accept credit cards, PayPal, ACH, and digital wallets without needing external plugins. Mobile-friendly checkouts. Built-in checkout pages optimized for mobile, including express pay options. So on paper, these features cover the basics needed to run an online store. So let's see how they stack up against Shopify's capabilities for dropshipping. Now, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, then go ahead and click the link down in the description below. You can go ahead and get started with a free 14-day trial so you can try out the platform and see if it's going to work for you and your dropshipping needs. Link down in the description to get started with GoHighLevel. Now, what is Shopify? Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform powering millions of stores worldwide. It's known for its robust features, extensive app ecosystem, and reliability. Shopify allows you to build a storefront, manage products, process payments, handle shipping, and extend functionality without thousands of apps. It has dedicated dropshipping integrations with suppliers like Deezers, Overlow, Zendrop, and others, making it a go-to choice for dropshippers. Comparing GoHighLevel and Shopify for dropshipping. Ease of use. GoHighLevel. The quick launch wizard helps you create a storefront quickly. You can choose a template, add products, and set up payment processing with just a few clicks. However, the design templates are kind of limited compared to Shopify's library. Customizing the look and feel may require a little bit more manual work or maybe even potentially CSS knowledge. Shopify. They offer hundreds of free and paid themes designed specifically for e-commerce. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, allowing you to customize layouts without coding. Shopify's extensive theme marketplace ensures that you'll find a design that suits your brand. Product and inventory management. GoHighLevel. You can add products, create variants, set SKUs, track inventory, and manage stock. The interface is simple and integrated with your CRM. However, high-volume inventory management and advanced features like multi-warehouse support is limited. Shopify offers sophisticated inventory management, including multi-location support, low stock alerts, bulk import and export, and SKU organization. It handles large catalogs better than GoHighLevel, and it integrates with third-party inventory tools. Payment processing. GoHighLevel supports multiple payment providers like Stripe, PayPal, NMI, Authorize.net, and others. And it offers one-click upsells and order bumps. Payment forms can be embedded in funnels, making checkout seamless for digital products and services. However, customizing checkout flows for physical products may require more work. Shopify provides built-in Shopify payments in eligible countries, PayPal, and some other third-party gateways. It includes features like automatic tax calculation, currency conversion, and subscription billing. The checkout process is highly optimized for e-commerce, with advanced features like Shop Pay for faster checkouts. Shipping and fulfillment. GoHighLevel. They lack native shipping carrier integrations. You can set flat rates or free shipping, but calculating real-time shipping costs requires manual setup or external tools. There is no built-in label printing or shipping automation, which is critical for dropshipping. Shopify. Shopify integrates with major carriers carriers like USPS, UPS, DHL, and more. You can display real-time shipping rates, buy and print labels directly in your admin, and use shipping apps to automate fulfillment. Dropshipping apps connect with suppliers to handle order fulfillment automatically as well. Dropshipping integrations. So GoHighLevel. The platform does not have native dropshipping integrations. You need to manually process orders with suppliers or use something like Zapier and webhooks to connect with third-party services. This adds complexity and potential for errors. Shopify offers numerous dropshipping apps. Deezers, Spocket, Printful, Zendrop that sync products, orders, and inventory. These apps make it simple to import products from suppliers, automatically send orders to suppliers, and track shipping updates. Marketing and automation. GoHighLevel. So this is really where GoHighLevel shines. You can build funnels, run email and SMS campaigns, set up automations, and manage CRM data in one place. For dropshipping, you can create lead magnets, build nurture sequences, send cart recovery emails, and track customer interactions. You can also integrate with pipeline management for high-ticket offers or coaching programs. Shopify offers built-in marketing tools like abandoned cart emails, discounts, gift cards, and basic email campaigns. It integrates with Shopify email, which is free up to a certain number of emails, and third-party tools like Klaviyo for advanced automation. However, you may need multiple apps to match GoHighLevel's automation breadth. App ecosystem. GoHighLevel. The platform's app store is relatively small, with most functionality already built in. It does integrate with some third-party services via API, but options are limited when compared to Shopify. Shopify has an enormous app marketplace with thousands of integrations covering everything from accounting to upsells, loyalty programs, print on demand, and more. This allows you to really customize your store's functionality to meet your specific business's needs. Pricing. So GoHighLevel pricing starts at $97 per month for the initial plan and $297 per month for the upgraded plan. Now these plans include unlimited funnels, CRM, email marketing, and the e-commerce builder. There are no transaction fees beyond payment processor fees. Shopify. So plans start at $29 per month for the basic plan and they scale up. So you can also get a little bit of a discount if you go ahead and pay annually. You can save 25%, which is pretty significant. So you can go ahead and see how these prices change for the basic plan, the grow plan, and the advanced plan, whether you pay monthly or annually. Shopify charges transaction fees unless you're using Shopify payments, and additional fees for many apps. However, for most dropshippers, the basic plan offers all the essential features. Customer support and community. GoHighLevel. They provide chat and email support. As a platform geared towards agencies, community support comes from Facebook groups and official forums. Documentation is adequate, but not quite as extensive as Shopify's. Shopify offers 24/7 support via chat, phone, and email. The Help Center, forums, and user community are large and active. Because of its size, you're more likely to find answers to niche questions. Pros and cons. GoHighLevel pros. All in one platform. GoHighLevel combines website, funnels, CRM, email, SMS, and e-commerce. It's great for service businesses that also sell products. It has built-in automation, so you can easily set up marketing sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and cross-sells without extra apps. Integrated payments. Access multiple payment types in one place. Agency features. If you're managing multiple clients, GoHighLevel allows you to create sub-accounts and white label the platform. GoHighLevel cons. Limited e-commerce features. It lacks advanced shipping, fulfillment, and dropshipping integrations. Custom checkout design options are limited. Fewer themes and apps. Customization requires more manual work or coding. There's no legit theme marketplace. Higher starting price. Even the basic plan may be more expensive than Shopify Basic, especially for a smaller store. And if you pay annually, you can actually get a cheaper price for Shopify's Grow plan than you can for their initial plan on GoHighLevel. Shopify Pros. Powerful e-commerce platform. It's designed specifically for online stores with strong inventory management, payment processing, and shipping capabilities. Dropshipping integrations. It's easy to connect with suppliers and automate order fulfillment. Large app ecosystem. You can can extend functionality with thousands of apps and themes. User-friendly interface. Quick setup and intuitive design tools. Shopify cons. Multiple apps are needed to match GoHighLevel's. So to match GoHighLevel's marketing and automation features, you may need several third-party apps. Each app can add monthly costs. Transaction fees. Unless you use Shopify payments, transaction fees apply. Some apps also take a percentage of revenue as well. Limited CRM. Shopify has basic customer profiles, but lacks a comprehensive CRM and pipeline management. You need a separate tool for advanced CRM functionality. When GoHighLevel makes sense for dropshippers. Now, GoHighLevel could replace Shopify for specific business models, mainly those where the core offering is a service or digital product and physical products are supplementary. For example, a marketing agency selling branded merchandise or a coaching business offering books and kits could benefit from GoHighLevel's unified funnel and CRM. If your dropshipping operation relies heavily on high-ticket items and personal outreach, for example, coaching equipment or membership kits, GoHighLevel's automation and pipeline features may outweigh its e-commerce limitations. However, for a typical dropshipping store focused on high-volume orders, quick shipping, and product variety, GoHighLevel's lack of integrated supplier apps and shipping automation could be a deal breaker. You would need to cobble together manual processes or build your own integrations, which can lead to errors and extra work. Hybrid approach. Some businesses choose to combine these platforms. For instance, you could use Shopify to power your store and handle dropshipping, while using GoHighLevel for marketing, funnels, lead capture, and client management. Integrations via Zapier or custom API connectors allow you to sync customer data between platforms. This approach leverages the strengths of each platform. Shopify's robust e-commerce capabilities and GoHighLevel's marketing and CRM power. It does come with added complexity and cost, so consider whether the benefits really justify the overhead. So GoHighLevel is a very versatile platform with very powerful marketing automation and a growing e-commerce feature set. It's an attractive option for agencies and service businesses that want to sell products without leaving their marketing environment. However, when it comes to dropshipping, GoHighLevel is not a one-to-one replacement for Shopify. Shopify remains the gold standard for online stores thanks to its ease of setup, deep dropshipping integrations, extensive app marketplace, and mature shipping solutions. So if your primary goal is to build a scalable dropshipping business with automated fulfillment, then Shopify is likely the better choice. If you need advanced CRM and marketing automation alongside a modest product offering, then GoHighLevel could complement or partially replace Shopify. However, take a look at your own business model, technical comfort level, and growth plans to decide which platform or combination of platforms is right for you. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel or Shopify, we've got links for both down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we may earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.